It's done! What do you think? Doesn't it look just like the real thing? Hi everyone! Have you heard of Myaku-Myaku, the official mascot of the 2025 Japan Expo? Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super easy Myaku-Myaku using this DIY candy kit. Right now, on social media, everyone's posting Myaku-Myaku shaped bread and sweets, and it's really trending. They are all super cute, but let's be honest, most of them look pretty complicated to make. But with this candy kit, I think we can make the easiest edible Myaku-Myaku in the world. Let's start by making the face with the light blue candy. There's a special plastic knife included in the kit, which is super handy. First, need the light blue candy. The warmth of your hand softens it up and makes it easier to shape. Roll it into a ball with your palms, something like this. Next, we are going to make Myaku-Myaku's red orbs with the pink candy. Let's start by cutting it into small pieces. How many should we make? This is so fun and exciting! You can mix the candy colors to create new ones, but today we will keep it simple and use the original colors. Even without mixing, the colors are already cute enough, right? Once you've cut them into small pieces, just roll them into little balls. It's super easy. Kids could definitely do this too. Now, let's stick them around the face. Just press down on gently with your fingers. They stick really well. Keep adding them one by one. Mix in some big and small ones too. These red orbs are said to represent things like cells or particles of DNA. Pretty amazing, right? Some of mine got squished and lost their round shape, but oh well. Still cute! It's coming together really nicely. Like this, maybe? Now, let's make some mouth. Take some white candy and cut it into a small shape. Adjust the size to fit the face. Let's make it a happy smile. I'll use the knife to fine-tune the shape a bit. Even small angle changes can make a big difference in the expression. This part is so fun! What do you think? Does this look okay? Let's clean it up a little more. Now, for the eyes. Roll some white candy into little balls and place them where you want the eye to be. Oh, this is turning out so well. They are sticking perfectly. It's cute! What do you think? Cut small pieces of blue candy to make the pupils. Rolling tiny balls is a bit tricky. Using tweezers might make it easier. Stick the blue balls onto the white ones. Try pointing the eyes in different directions. It adds a funny touch. This is seriously so fun! I'm getting so excited as it gets closer to completion. It feels like I'm bringing it to life. Wow! Amazing! Okay, looks good. It's done! What do you think? Doesn't it look just like the real thing? I made one big and one small version. Aren't they adorable? They were so easy to make, and I'm really happy with how close they look to the real Myaku-Myaku. Now, let's give it a taste. いただきます。Sweet and delicious! Please try making your own too. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye bye!